what is the best posture to go and talk on stage. And when I mean stage, I mean when you're in front of clients, when you have to do a presentation in the boardroom. There are many, many ways where you have to stand up and give a talk and give a speech. Ideally, you want to stay straight up, the shoulders down, slightly back, because it's going to help you free that upper body. And if it's free and if you are being straight up, it's going to help the voice to travel better. And the voice that travels better is stronger, it sounds more credible, and it will add to your charisma, which you want. So let me demonstrate right now how you can have the feeling of the right posture. So to do that, I'm going to use TheraBand number 3, which is the color orange. Take the strap, oops, something dropped, and you put it behind your back, just underneath your shoulder blades. You wrap your shoulders with the strap, just like a little rucksack. And the 2 strings here, you grab them, make sure that it stays on your shoulder. You will cross them over and you pull very gently towards the floor the 2 straps, as you can see here. All right? And that is how you could feel what is the best posture when you give a speech. Have a try, let me know how it feels, and I'm looking forward to hear or read your comments. Bye for now.